Hey guys, Key here from Kegerator and talking about our new Bishop tap handles. So these are the ones that go on top of the Kegerator. Tap handles will screw onto any tap thread, any standard tap thread that's out there, such as the Nuka taps or many other tap brands. They'll just screw straight on, and it gives you a really easy way to tell which beer is on which keg. Now, I don't know about you, but when I have friends come over to my place, it's so frustrating if I don't label the tap handles, because they start pulling all the beers and then trying a sour. If they hate sours, end up turfing it and stuff like that, and it's really annoying. So having your tap handles labeled, it makes your whole Kegerator system look the part, but functionally it makes it a lot easier for people other than yourself who don't necessarily know what's on tap number 2 or tap number 3. Anyway, inside this little box, this is what you get. So you open it up and you'll notice you get the main body of the Bishop tap handle. Now there's a lens already in here. Now with the lens, you can put either paper behind the lens. So I've actually got a template if you go and download from our website, and you can make your own graphics on Illustrator or whatever, and then put them inside the tap handle and put this lens in front of it so it looks nice and shiny, even if you don't use gloss paper. The other thing is we're starting to make lots of our new recipes online. So if you get one of the recipes from us, they'll come with a sheet like this, and you can just use a set of scissors to cut out the color printed tap handle to suit these particular tap handle types. The other thing is we're just about to release a whole new range of fresh wort kits, which are really great value, and they're going to hit the market soon. They'll have exactly the same thing. They'll come with a printed label. You can chop that out and stick it in the lens, giving you a great presentation experience for customers like that. Now, the other thing is if you don't want to print anything out, or maybe you don't even have a printer at home, or you didn't get one of our kits, that's fine too. Inside the kit, you get a blackboard sticker and a whiteboard sticker. So what you can do is just peel this off and then stick it onto the lens itself, and then drop the lens in. So you can see in this tap here, I've got the blackboard sticker, which I've put on that one. And then you can use some chalk. Now, because this is a standard blackboard, you can use standard chalk if you want to. However, if you want to get really good, vibrant colors, I really recommend these little chalk pens. We sell these as a pack of 12 on the website. They're really inexpensive, but look really good when you put your graphics in here. So this one here is Keys Ale. Oh man, my handwriting is quite embarrassing these days. I pretty much don't do anything by hand, but you can see there, you can see what's on that tap, and you've got some of my ale there on that one. Or for this tap here, for instance, I've actually got a stout on this one. So I'll screw this on. When you're screwing it on and get to the bottom, you'll notice sometimes it doesn't face all the way forward. If that's the case, just rotate it anti-clockwise, and that's what this collet here is for. So just screw this up and nudge that tight so this is facing in the right orientation. So for this one, I've got the Russian Imperial Stout. This is one of the fresh wort kits which are going to be released very soon. I drop that in the front like so, and just to protect that, I drop the lens in front of that like that. So that's a really easy way to make your taps look awesome. Anyway, that pretty much wraps it up for today. I'm going to give this Russian Imperial Stout a crack and see what she's like. If you want to hear about any of the other cool stuff, definitely bottom right hand corner, hit subscribe now so you keep in touch with all the new stuff that's coming out. The other thing you want to do is join the Facebook community group. So just on the Kegland Facebook homebrew community group, join that one, and there's a heap of customers out there enjoying all the gear and sharing tips and tricks on how to get the most out of it. All right, thanks for that, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.